I have a snapper battery run weed trimmer, and the 60 volts battery won't charge in the charging unit. When I push it in, it first clicks on and green light starts to blink but then goes to red blinking. After a day in this, it is unchanged, so it is not charging. Should I replace the battery or the charger? The charger is about $120.
Hi, I'll be glad to help you. Replace the battery. The blinking is telling you that the battery HSS is short in it and needs replaced. This is the only way I get paid for my time. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.